Welcome to Speaking Course Level 1. Today's lesson is asking basic questions in English. We will learn how to ask about someone's name, job, where they live, and their interests. Please listen carefully, speak slowly, and repeat after each sentence. Let's begin.
Hi, what's your name?
My name is Bisma. What's your name?
I'm Omar. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too, Omar. Let's repeat. What's your name? Stress on your. What's is a reduction of what is. Say it naturally linked.
What do you do for a living?
I work in a hospital. I'm a nurse.
Wow, that's great.
What do you do for a living?
Stress. Do and living. Linked sounds. What do you do for a living?
Where are you from?
I'm from Egypt. How about you?
I'm from Pakistan.
Where are you from? Stress. From. Linked. Where are you from? Repeat slowly.
Do you live around here?
Yes, I do. Just 5 minutes away.
That's close!
Do you live around here? Linking. Do you live around here? Repeat. Yes, I do. Just 5 minutes away.
What do you like to do in your free time?
I like reading and going for walks.
That sounds nice.
What do you like to do in your free time? Linked. What do you like to do in your free time? Hi, I'm Omar. What's your name? I'm Bisma. I work at a school. Where are you from? I'm from Egypt. What do you like to do in your free time? I enjoy playing football. Now it's your turn. Practice these questions. What's your name? What do you do? Where are you from? What do you like to do in your free time? Great work today. You learned how to ask and answer basic questions in English. Keep practicing and watch this video again tomorrow. Subscribe for more free lessons. See you in the next video.